If you own a 3D printer, you can pretty much print anything, but usually it takes several hours. So today, I'm showing you 8 actually useful tools you can print in under 30 minutes. Number 1 is cable holder. You can stick it onto your desk or shelf. It keeps your chargers ready to go and organized. It's perfect for any workspace. And it only takes 10 minutes to print. I use double-sided tape to mount it. Number 2 is monitor hanger. You can just stick it on top, but I recommend a thin and strong tape for a solid hold. You can simply hang anything cluttering your desk and keep your space clean. This one took 21 minutes to print. Number 3 is can opener. Just slide it in like this and use a quick snap to click it open. And you can slide it over to keep your soda fresh. I also printed another version of this can opener. It's much fancier, but it took 12 hours. It only took 14 minutes and it's gonna save your fingernails. Number 4 is phone stand. You can adjust the height to get the perfect angle, so it's very useful for reading and watching videos on your phone. Plus, you can carry it like a keychain. Let me try this. I think it's pretty solid. It took 30 minutes and I think it's pretty worth it. Next one is box cutter. It's pretty sharp and super handy. It's 13 minutes. Whenever I need a knife, it's always missing, so I printed a bunch of them. Number 6 is filament clip. I used to just use tape to secure my leftovers and it was a mess. But with this, you can just clip it on. It keeps the filament perfectly in place. It only took 15 minutes. Very useful. Next one is the hairbrush cleaner. It's the easiest way to clean your brush. Just run it through a few times. It clears out all the tangled hair in seconds. It took about 23 minutes and you can keep your brush clean. Last but not least, it's back clip. It's great for saving leftovers. I think I use them every single day. And it only took 17 minutes. I hope you find it useful. The links are in the description below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.